So, another day in the retail Pokemon saga. Went to CVS today and found some sorry, letting somebody out. Found 4 packs of Destined Rivals in the hangers. So that's pretty neat. So hit up your CVS's too. My Walgreens didn't have nothing, but CVS did. There was a limit of 4, so of course I got 4. But they had Destined Rivals and Journey Together in the 1-pack blister with the promo and the coin, of course. So, but you know, you never know what you're gonna get. Let's open one, see what we get. I'll open one right now. I'm sitting in traffic, just barely moving, so. Get a hit. Oh no, got burnt. Crustal for the rare. Crustal for the rare. Okay. Nothing spectacular, but you know, not bad for $5.50 a pack. It's very rare you get to find those. So. All right, everybody. Till next time.